Thanks for training with me. And don't forget to pick up copies of my books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. The link to order both books is below.
All right, it's Coach Vigue, my friends. Thanks for clicking on this video. This might be the only hip stretch routine you will ever need. I'm so glad you're joining me today. It's good to be warmed up a little bit before we get started. You won't need any weights or equipment or straps or lawn mowers of any kind, just your body. Do it now, do it today, do it at your own leisure, but make sure you do it. All right, I like to always start with a question here. And what was your favorite sport to play as a child? If you didn't play sports, what was your favorite activity? I'll let you know mine after this flow. You can write yours down below when you think of it. Sorry about how rough I was with my sunglasses right there. All right, we're gonna breathe in the nose and out the nose. Remember, breath is massively important. We're gonna breathe in, we expand outward. We exhale, we crush the belly button towards the spine and empty the lungs. So think of filling and emptying the lungs, okay? Warm up if you like to get started. We're gonna start with a down dog walk. Modify as needed at any time. We have downward facing dog. Spread the fingers wide and walk. And make sure you share and do these stretches with those you know who really need them, especially if you're on a sports team of any kind. Do it with your teammates and your coaches. The stuff that I teach, that I film, that I write books about is massively important for athletes. All right, walk it out. Relax the shoulders. We're going to breathe constantly, a good steady stream. You like the location today also? Somebody's driveway. Hopefully don't chase us away with a broom. All right, walk it out. 6 more steps. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have some surprises coming your way. I want you to sit on your heels to start. Take the legs a little wider apart. There we are. Shoulders back and down. Let's not waste this upper body stuff, so pull the arm across. Sinking down gently. If this is too much, sit cross-legged. Draw the arm across. A little bit, lift it and lower it, loosening the shoulder. When I come into a stretch, if I specify a certain area, that's good. It means we're focusing in that area, but we're also doing the rest of the body as well. The body is one beautiful, complete component, and we work it as such. All right, other side. Relax, breathe. Good. It's a great way to visualize, not just isolating one area for the period of time, but bringing everything else along with, so everything works in cohesion. Yeah, all right. I got nothing to say. All right, we're gonna do a half child's pose here. So start by bringing the knees together. I'll give you this view here. We're gonna press back. Here's your child's pose. Relax, relax. Now when you're ready, I'll mirror you. Take your right leg out to the side. We'll just start with one side here. Hands down or forearms down. Gently breathe into it. With your exhales, you're sinking down. 5 breaths. And your hands are here, your forearms are here to make sure you don't go down too far into the asphalt. Good. Take the knee out further as you wish, as your body allows. Good stretch. Other side. Bring the knee in. Other leg out. There are people going by? Okay. 5 breaths. Here we go. Good. Should be feeling some stuff here in the adductors, in the glutes, in the low back. Okay, give me that child's pose again. Take the knees wide as you like. That gets into something called the frog pose. Feet out and press it back. Let's rock side to side. So we're loosening the glutes, the back, the whole area. As I said, it's not just one spot. It's the whole area. It just trickles through the body. and using your body weight and gravity to help you, oh, that's a good time. 2 more breaths. Let that spine release. Oh, okay. Pressing on up. Oh, this one's fun. But first, let's get a bridge in here. I want you to take the legs forward, shake it out, shake out the arms. That's a big Coach Vigue favorite. Shake it out, keep it loose. Come on down to your back, feet flat. When you're ready, lift up into a shoulder bridge. Want to get those glutes engaged, get the blood flowing into these areas, get the core engaged. It makes for a much more effective stretch routine. And this right here, the tie, okay. 3 more breaths. Little movement side to side. It's loose. Keep the looseness in the low back, the blood flow. Little shimmy, Cocoa Pop. Let me pull this down. There we go. Oh, just gorgeous. This day begs us to get out here and move, doesn't it? All right, come on down. Right ankle, left thigh. We got a figure 4 stretch here. Take your right arm in between, left arm around, lace the fingers, and pull. This leg can be up or bend the knee. Use this right elbow to press into the leg. Let's rock side to side. You can also keep your head down. If your neck feels uncomfortable, place a pillow behind your head. 5 breaths. Pull towards you with the exhale. Feel this right glute, hip, inner thighs, the hip extenders right here. Look at those feet. So, favorite sport as a child? Interesting. I love that question. These questions always tie in with our movement, with our flows. Definitely brings us back to a place where we were always moving, always, well, hopefully playing outside, being active, enjoying ourselves, and using our bodies for everything. All right, switch sides. When you're ready, find that spot and pull. Be honest with yourself. There's someone coming up the driveway. Find where it begins. That's where we want, and we go from there. Well, the neighbors just got an eyeful, didn't they? 3 more breaths. In the nose, out the nose. Throughout the day, I want you to practice that breath, breathing in slowly, inflating and expanding the ribs, and then exhaling every drop of breath from the lungs. Something I do periodically throughout the day. Same as hydrating and getting enough sleep. All right, bottoms of the feet together. We have a supine butterfly. Take the hands here, gently press down. Little rocking side to side. I always add movement to the stretches, little subtle movements. It takes the pressure off, both physically and mentally. 3 more breaths. Relax the shoulders down. Nice chance to open up the chest. Shum. Is that Cam Newton that does that? Shum. Superman? Okay. Super stretch. Oh, there's someone walking there. Hi. There's someone going by. Good. 1 more breath. In the nose, out the nose. Little arch of the back. That's great. Now legs together. Drop them side to side. Windshield wiper is a grand, fantastic way to keep it loose. And remember, my friend, this is your stretch routine now. So you can hold these poses longer. You can do them quicker. You can switch up the order or just gleam a couple from here and use those. It's so accessible. All right, 1 more time each side. Boom. Okay, here's one that I love to do at night when I'm working, when I'm writing, when I'm watching old movies, and of course, Mystery Science Theater. Come down onto your stomachs. Take your leg out, either leg out to the side here. There we go. See where this is going? You can have forearms down. You can come all the way down. But I like to, in my own time, say I'm writing right here, maybe in a journal, or working on a book, or writing Valentines to people who work out with me. Hey, you choose me. We keep this leg out here. We extend the back leg. We're getting a nice hip flexor, hip extender stretch, and we're opening up here. Let's do 4 more breaths.
If you want to add a little more here, cross the arms and relax down into a little shoulder stretch and knot stretch. That's up to you. How does that feel? Is that a good one? It's very important that I introduce things to you, no matter how long you've been following me, that when it's introduced, it definitely gets a response, a positive response from your body, some new kind of movement coming in. And that's good. All right, other side. Don't want to be complacent in our workouts. Let's do 5 deep breaths. In the nose, out the nose. Expand the ribs. Breathe deep down underneath the rib cage into your diaphragm. We're working the breathing muscles. Can move this leg a little bit back here. Feel that stretch into the quad and the hip flexor. Okay, come on up. Sitting on the heels or cross-legged. Shake out the arms a little bit here. There it is. Feel looser in the quads right here. We're just adjusting. We're massaging areas to get you where you need to be. All right, oh, that's a good one, Sean. So glad I wrote that out. I write these out at night, and I'm doing them as I write them out, so I'm testing them. Long pigeon, right knee forward, left leg back. Can keep it here or walk this foot forward. This classic yoga pose, definitely in my top 3 stretches. All right, here we are. Sliding that back leg back. Now the long part, let me scooch back a little here. You're gonna come down. I'm gonna take this left arm across. I'm gonna add a little twist here. This hand can come back here or drop it here. So we're getting this flat line here. We're flattening it out, stretching the glute, hip flexor, and we're getting an upper body lengthening and a twist. Now, I'm not talking too much. I have to explain this stuff. It's so good. Imagine if I just did the poses and was mute the whole time. You'd have all these questions. Like, Sean, what was your favorite sport to play growing up? I'm going to tell you when we're done. 3 more breaths. There we are. Long, long pigeon. Like an Enya song. Okay, my friends. Other side, pigeon. Take your time. Take your time. Want to keep in the flow, in the rhythm. Other leg forward. And this goes back. When you're ready, you slide, pebble, you slide forward. We're going to open to the left. 5 slow, deep breaths. Okay, bring your legs back, lower down, hands are on the shoulders or forearms down, baby cobra or a little cobra. Very important. I love to finish off with some back bend work too, lifting up, shoulders back. You don't want to end with the hinging forward. You want to lift, because think about when you stand up after this, when you walk away, do you want to be hunched forward or do you want to be lifted nice and tall? I hear things. Is that my son? Where is he? All right, press it back. Child's pose. Knees together this time. Stretch the tops of the quads and the low back, a little side to side. And remarkable work, my friends. It's me, Coach Vigue. My favorite sport growing up, as a kid, actually, I love flag football. I love football, but we didn't play tackle back then. Well, we did on our own, but flag football was the thing. Every Saturday morning, got together and throttled another team, which was always sponsored by a local restaurant or hair salon or construction company. This was up in West Salem, Wisconsin. Loved it. Glen-Salem Junction. That's right, we beat everybody. Nothing like getting in that breakaway, just running, hear the crowd scream. So flag football for me, I played all sports, baseball, basketball, hockey. Hockey was big time, but my feet got really, really cold. All right, if this workout helped, I appreciate if you subscribe, you hit the like button, and share and do it with your friends, family, teammates, coaches, teachers. But if you care about winning and doing better than your rivals, don't share it with your rivals. All right, what a pleasure it has been as Coach Vigue. I'll see you real soon. I hope these stretches helped. I have a feeling they did.
Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.